Okay, so our discussion this afternoon is about application of linear equation. I'm gonna discuss some word problems regarding linear equation, and then try to explain it to you. So let's have our first example. Example number 1, if 28 less than 5 times a certain number is 232, what is the number? The first thing you have to do is you have to translate word into mathematical symbol. So it says here that if 28 less than 5 times a number, we let x be the number. Another is 28 less than 5 times a number. So 5 times a number would be, it says here that if 28 less than 5 times a number, we come up with this expression 5x minus 28. So again, if 28 less than 5 times a number, a certain number is 232. That would be equals to 232. So this would be our equation now. Since we have our equation, we can solve for the value of x. Therefore, we have x is equals to 52. So in checking, use the equation that you have. So we have 5x minus 28 equals 232. Then substitute the value of x, which is 52. We get the correct answer. Okay, next example, we have the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 93. When you talk about 3 consecutive numbers, it means that first thing you have to do is you have to find the first number. Your first number would be x. Your second number will be x plus 1. Therefore, third number will be x plus 2. What's next? The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 93. What are the integers? So now we have our 3 consecutive numbers, and if we're going to sum up these 3 consecutive numbers, we come up to 93. So let's create our equation. Divide both sides by 3 so that you can have the value of x. So 3x was 90 divided by 3. Your x is equals to 30. So it means that your first number is 30. Second number will be x plus 1. Just substitute. So you have 30 plus 1. That gives you 31. Your second number. Okay. So your third number will be x plus 2, substitute again, 30 plus 2 gives you 32. So therefore, your consecutive 3 integers are 30 plus 31 plus 32, and if you're going to get the total of this, came up with 93. So your answer is correct. The perimeter of a rectangle is 44. The length is 5, less than double the width. Find the dimension. Okay, so first thing you have to do is you have to read the problem over and over again so that you can get an idea on how to solve this problem. The first given that we can have in the problem is we have the value of the perimeter, which is 44, right? Then I think we need the formula of the perimeter for the rectangle, which is P is equals 2L plus 2 width. Another thing that we can consider is, so it says that the length is less than double the width, so let's double the width and then less it by 5. So we have the value of our length. Then I think we can now create our formula or create our equation. So we have the value of perimeter, so we can substitute 44 here. So we have 44 equals 2L plus 2 width. After that, as you can see, we have the value of our length, which is equals to 2W minus 5. So we can use this so that we can have one variable in our equation. So we have 4 is equals to, substitute this value here. So you have 2 times 2W minus 5 plus 2W. And then simplify. On this 44. So simplify. 44 is equals to, multiply this, 4W minus 10, distributive property, plus 2W. The next is, let us combine like terms. 44 plus 10 is equal to 4W plus 2W. So 44 plus 10 is 54. We have 6W. Okay. Then look for the value of the W, which is width. So we have 54 equals 6W. To get that, you have to divide both sides by 6. So you have W is equals to 9. So that would be the value of our width. So to get the value of the dimensions, to find the value of the dimension of a rectangle, so this width, which is equals to 9. And then we're looking for the length. In our problem, the value of the length is 2W minus 5. Since we have already the value of our width, we can substitute the value of that in our equation of the length. So we have L is equals to 2 times 9 minus 5. So length is equals to 2 times 9 is 18 minus 5. Therefore, your length would be equals to 13. Okay, so that's it. So our length would be equals to 13. Dimension is 13 by